We have to start discussing from question number 10 of this paper. මේ paper එකම තමයි 10 වලින් start කරන් තියෙනවද? Not 10 but 11. What is the passage about? You may send the answers or you may have an opportunity to tell the answers. Okay, if you want, you can tell the answers. Any of you? Yes. Does anyone need the chance? කාට chance එකක් මොකද මම කරන්න? කියන්න. Yeah, sure, can start.
First question, what is the passage about? About rhinos. Second, where do black rhinos live? In South Africa. Third, from whom does the main treat come to rhinos in India? Why do the predators hunt rhinos for their get horns? Fifth one, rhinos' horns are used to make dagger handles and for medical purposes. Sixth one, false. Seventh one, Africa and Asia. Eighth one, strip hair and medical purposes.
Good Africa and Asia. Anyway, good. What is the passage about? මේ passage එක මොකක් ගැනද? What is the passage about?
Rhinos.
Endangered. Yes, endangered
About
species.
rhinos.
Yes, correct. About the endangered species rhinos. Species rhinos. Rhinos ලා ගැන. අද මේ තර්ජන ලක් වී ඇති සත්තු වර්ගයක් වන rhinos ලා ගැන. Where do black rhinos live? ඒ black rhinos ලා කොහෙද ඉන්නේ?
In Southern Africa.
Yeah, most rhinos live in Africa. There are two African species, the black rhinos, which is found in southern Africa. In southern Africa. In southern southern Africa. From whom does the main threat come to rhinos? Kagen the Pradhana Moduwen, yes, you see? Okay, let's see. Which is found in southern Africa. There are few rhinos in Asia too, mainly in India. During the past 20 years, number of rhinos have dropped rapidly. They are now fewer than 10,000 in the whole world. And the number is still falling. The main threat to rhinos is from poachers. From poachers. From poachers. From poachers. Why do poachers hunt rhinos? A poachers are hunt. Who hunt them for their horns? Yes. For their horns. මේ answers ටික දාලා ඔක්කොම හේතු ටික reasons ටික කියන්න වෙනවා. Answers ගන්න. For their horns. Complete this sentence. Rhinos' horns are used to එකතිකෝ හැරි. Meaning used to, when they are used to make dagger
and also in the Far East where they are used for medical purposes.
මේකට දෙක එක dagger handles අනිත් එක medicinal purposes. Medicinal purposes. Say whether this statement is true or false. Put TOF in the box. Trading
False.
rhino is illegal. Trading,
False.
trading rhino horns is legal. Nityan ulaidu rhinos lagi horns bikin iwa. Meaning trading rhino horns is illegal. Eka nityan kulane. Menam eka false. If true ko satya නැත්තනේ මේක false අසත්‍ය. Write two countries mentioning the passage. මේක ඉතින් රටවල් දෙකක් කියන බා.
Africa, Asia.
Africa, India.
Okay, Africa, India. Asia කියන්නේ පුතේ රටක් නෙමෙයි. Asia කියන්නේ continent එක මහද්වීපයක්. ඒ නිසා Africa and India. Write adjectives from the passage. මේ passage එකෙන් adjectives ටිකක් හොයාගන්න බලන්න. Adjectives නාම විශේෂණ. Adjectives.
Stiff.
Street, medical.
Black,
Medicine.
black තියෙනවා. Southern. Now. Stiff. Medicinal.
Middle.
Sorry.
Middle.
Sorry, Buddha. Middle.
Middle.
Yeah. Yeah. Illegal. Extinct. Okay, very good. Africa මේකත් එනවා. Black. Southern. Steve.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
Sir, adjectives ලියන්න තියෙන word එකකින් තියෙන එකට නෑ. හරියට.
එහෙම දීලා තියෙනවනේ මම ඒක දැක්කේ නෑනේ. එහෙනම් අපිට ඕන එකක් දාන්න බෑනේ. Hair. මොන hairද? Stiff hair. Thank you very much. I didn't see that. Purposes.
Medicinal.
Medicinal. Yes. Thank you very much for that. Medicinal purposes. Right. මම answers ටික එන විදිහට explain කරන්නම්.